Hey, it's Randy from Voices, and here are 3 tips to nail your auditions. Any questions, comment down below, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. Tip number 1, keep your auditions to around 15 to 20 seconds. Time is money, and your time is the most valuable thing. If a client needs a longer sample from you, they can always ask. In the interest of getting to as many auditions as possible, just keep them nice and short. Another benefit is that with a shorter audition, you'll have fewer takes needed to really nail the excerpt, and you can likely do it with fewer edits. Again, time is money. There's no sense in spending too much time editing this perfect, polished audition for a job that you just aren't that suited for. Tip number 2, refrain from slating. Now, slating means saying your name or any other information right at the beginning of the recording. Things like the take number, the date, the role that you're auditioning for, those sort of things. It was a really great tool back in the day when clients were literally putting in CDs or cassette tapes into their machine and pressing play. But in today's day and age, in an online world, the client can clearly see your name and the avatar right beside the play button. Instead, we recommend getting straight into the heart of your audition because you'll only have a few short seconds to leave a lasting impression on the client before they go to the next audition. And finally, tip number 3, normalize your auditions. Now, have you ever wondered why TV commercials are all so loud? This is because for decades, companies have been fighting for your attention. In the audio world, we refer to this as the loudness war. It's this constant battle to be the loudest and the most attention-grabbing. Does it work? Unfortunately, yes. Louder is most often perceived as better. So what does this mean for you? How do you take advantage of this information? This means that if your auditions are coming in too low, you may be at a serious disadvantage, and your amazing audition that you worked so hard on may be simply overlooked. We recommend normalizing your auditions to peak right around -1 decibels. This will help ensure you're leaving an instant impression and a lasting one. I hope today's video is helpful for you. If you want more information and tips for auditions, check out this video right here. We cover the entire process from start to finish to help you book some more work. As always, happy auditioning, and we'll see you in the next one.
Voices.